guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can pretty much edit your server channels and server categories, like the information on the channel and categories. So if you want to edit the channel information, just go ahead and go to any channel, and then here select edit channel on the gear icon, and here you can add in a channel topic. This channel is about gardening in Disney Dreamlight Valley. You can also adjust the slow mode. Members will be restricted to sending one message and creating one thread per this interval unless they have managed channel or managed messages permission, so they can't spam, I guess. And you can also age restrict channel, and also they can hide after inactivity and save changes if you don't want. Wait, I think there's only 1 hour, 24 hours, 3 days, and a week. I'm just going to leave it at 3 days. Then save changes. As you can see, if I go to that channel, there will be the information. You can also edit the channel here, edit voice channels. And here you'll have different options. And here you can adjust the bitrate, video quality as well, user limit, and also the region override. And here you can also edit category by going to the category and right clicking it and pressing edit category. Usually you can just change the name, and that's it for the category section. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!